Infinix is set to lift the curtains on the next iteration of its Hot series. The lineup will comprise 3 models, namely Hot 12, Hot 12i, and Hot 12 Play, much like last year. While the launch date of the trio is yet to be confirmed by the company, specifications and real-life images of one of the models, Hot 12i, have been leaked in full. Infinix introduced the Hot 12 series today, and its pioneer is called Hot 12i. Is seemingly the lowest standing of the trio, and is an entry-level affair through and through. The Infinix Hot 12i has a Helio A22 chipset with a 2.0 GHz quad-core CPU. On paper, RAM goes up to 4 gigs, but the company only offers 2 and 3 gigs options currently. Storage is 64 gigs and there is a dedicated microSD slot for expanding that. The brand did not reveal much about the cameras. We do know the main shooter is 13 megapixel with AF, and we can only assume the other two are 2 megapixel for portrait and macro shots. The selfie camera is behind a water drop notch and has an 8 megapixel sensor. On the front, there is a 6.82-inch LCD with 720p resolution. The software is XOS 7.6, based on Android 11. The phone features a 3.5mm audio jack, but also a micro USB port, which alone should be a deal-breaker for anybody in 2022. The battery capacity is 5000 mAh. The Infinix Hot 12i is currently available in Nigeria in 4 colors: black, green, gold, and blue. Price is $150 for the 2 and 64 gigs variant, and $170 for the 3 and 64 gigs version. The other two phones are not named yet, but we can see one of them will have 2 cameras on the back, while the other will come with a triple shooter and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Judging from the leaked images and the specifications, the Infinix Hot 12i will be an entry-level device, and may launch for around 10,000 rupees, maybe lower for Indian markets. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate every comment from you. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon.